Hey, today we are making Ruby Cloud Smoothie Bowl, as you see here. One of the breakfast recipe from the 5-ingredient anti-inflammatory cookbook. This is thick, vibrant, loaded with good stuff. Let's build it. Okay, this one is quick and simple. We will take a cup of Greek yogurt, plain, unsweetened, without any extra addition. Two cups of frozen raspberry. I also have some frozen cherries and would like to add as well, and you can add whatever berries you have. At that point, recipe says that it nice to have frozen banana, but I do not have them. So I believe that the regular bananas will fit as well, because we have enough frozen berries there, so just put fresh bananas. Okay, also we would need coconut flakes. They are unsweetened, and we add around 2 tablespoons. And in this recipe, it's suggested to add some hemp seeds. Unfortunately, I do not have them with me at the moment, and I will replace them with chia seeds. Let's have maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons as well. So we would need 1 cup of plain water. Okay, close the lid and turn on the Okay, it looks like ready. I will take a bowl. Let's pour it over. So we have nice creamy texture. At this point, let's slice some banana. And put it on top. More banana here. Sprinkle a little bit with coconut flakes and some chia seeds as well. Okay, now it's nice and ready. This is literally 5 seconds recipe. You just need to blend everything together and this is done. So let's try it. Very nice. Even though I've added cherries and it brings more acidity to the raspberry, it's still very sweet because of bananas. The texture is like melted ice cream or so it's still cold, not ice cold, but still okay. And yeah, this is I believe, great solution for the breakfast on summer or any other hot day, so it's very refreshing. I like this. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.